Hello guys, I'm pretty excited guys. I have missed you guys, but I have been keeping you guys updated with my life recently, so I hope you guys are enjoying that. So anyways, I decided to do this makeup look today because I was like getting ready, so I was like, why not do it on camera, right guys? So I just like mount my camera here on my mirror and my window, sorry, and I was like, yeah, let's try doing, it's a different video, let's just try. If people like it, then I can probably do more of these guys. So anyways, I've just been at home guys and pretty much doing nothing. Yeah, I've just been watching movies, watching series, you know, being with the family. I mean, that's more important right now, and you know, spending time with everyone. I mean, it's pretty fun, but it's also pretty boring at home because you have nothing to do. I'm used to going to work sometimes, you know. I usually go in the afternoons to work, and you know, I keep myself busy. So yeah, I mean, at least I've been doing YouTube videos, right guys? At least. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So guys, the first thing you want to use is your favorite moisturizer. Whatever you're using will work guys, and you can also moisturize your lips. So I've used Epimax for my face moisturizer, and for my lips I have used Nivea. So for the second thing, you want to go with your primer. I'm going to be using this one by Maybelline. It's the Master Prime Face Studio Primer Base, and it's amazing guys. I mentioned it in my affordable video and it's pretty good guys, so we're gonna be using it today. I just hope I'm on focus, and I'm actually standing today guys, so I hope you guys do not mind. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to be using a drugstore foundation. This is by Loreal Paris Visible Lift Blur Foundation. It's in the shade Buff Beige 207, and that is how it looks like. I'll take that and apply it on the face. And I'm going to be facing this side because my mirror is on this side, so yeah, hope you guys don't mind. And if I need a bit more, which I think I need a bit more, just slightly, you know guys, foundation is never enough. So let me know if you guys like this idea of me standing and doing my makeup, because I feel like it's so much easier for me because I'm used to standing and doing my makeup. That's me like every day of my life guys. So you just want to take your beauty blender and start blending. This foundation is like perfect for my skin tone, to be honest guys. That's why I love it so much. So once you're done with your foundation, you should basically look like this. So yeah, the concealer I'm going on with today is this one by CoverGirl. It's called the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. It's in the shade, I think the shade is like Come Off, but it's the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I have been loving this concealer for a while now, to be honest guys. It is very affordable and very nice. So I'm just gonna apply this on my under eye like that, on both the sides. I don't even know what makeup look we are doing. I think I want to show you guys my the makeup look I've been doing on my videos recently, because people have been asking me. Just the eyeliner look and the normal foundation. So yeah guys, Then you want to take your beauty blender and start blending your concealer. And this concealer blends out beautifully, guys, as you can see. Or any of you ask me, the nail polish I've applied on my nails today is by Sally Hansen Insta Dry Fast Dry nail color. It's in the shade Rose Run. It looks like that, and this polish is pretty expensive. You really don't need it in your life. I think it's about $15. You really don't need it in your life. You can get other cheaper versions of the same shade, guys. So once you're done with your concealer, your face should look as pretty as this. Then you want to take your concealer setting powder. The one I use is this Yardley Feather Finish. You guys know how much I love this. I just can't move on from it. Honestly, I've tried others, but I just do not like them. So this is in the shade number 26. So I'm going to be taking a... Sorry if I keep going down because my products are down. I hope you guys don't mind. So I'm going to take this brush right here and just apply this on my under eye area, or everywhere that I applied my concealer, just to set that area perfectly well. So once you've set your concealer, then you want to go to your full face powder, and for my full face powder I'm going to be using Masarrat Misbah Silk Pressed Powder in the shade medium beige with this goat hair brush, the one I've been loving. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it to my full face just to set it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys love such videos. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows using this drawing eye pencil. You guys know how much I love it. If you guys can find it anywhere, do try it. It's amazing. So anyways, what I wanted to talk about is I have actually gained so much weight recently for the past, I'd say, 4 months. I don't know if I'm really extremely happy, or I don't know what's making me grow fat. I have always maintained my weight to 47-46 kilos. Maximum I would go is 48 kilos. And you guys won't believe, I'm actually 51 kilos at the moment. And that is pretty crazy to me. I need to lose weight. That is pretty crazy, guys. So once you've brushed your eyebrows, you just want to properly fill them in from this area, and it's very easy to use this product. Just as you can see, guys, it's pretty simple. It's not like the brush ones, you know, you have to really be precise with where you're going with the brush in case you don't go overboard or something like that. So this one is pretty nice. You just have to get the exact color for your eyebrows and you're good to go, guys. So once you're done with your eyebrows, my hair looks funny. So once you're done with your eyebrows, we want to go to contouring. I'm not going to be contouring today. I'm just going to be bronzing my skin. And if you guys are confused about any product that I'm using in this video, then I'll be listing them all down below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out if you're confused about anything, guys. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be using this one by Shiseido. As you guys can tell, I have used a lot of this product because it's amazing. So yeah, so it's by Shiseido and it's in the shade SP60 and it has SPF 35. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna take a lot of that. Once you're done bronzing your skin, then you want to go to your blusher. You can use your favorite blusher for this look. You really don't need to go with what I have. I'm gonna be using Physicians Formula Natural Pearl Blush. It's a pretty blush, guys. So if you guys get your hands on this blush, then do not leave it. Oh god, this is so weird when I keep going down. I'm so sorry. Next time. Next time I'm going to be keeping my products somewhere where I can reach betterly, guys. This is my first time standing and doing a video, so please appreciate that, guys. So you just want to apply it in your apples of your cheeks. I'm actually debating on whether I should put lashes for this look or should I not. Maybe I should just do lashes today. It's been a hot minute since I have done lashes, so I think we should do lashes today. What do you guys think? Do you guys like lashes, or do you like natural, using your own lash and like a proper mascara? I mean, I prefer that these days, but I don't mind applying lashes as well. So let's go with lashes today. So anyways, the first thing before we apply lashes, we want to do eyeliner. So the eyeliner I'm going to be using today is by Chanel. You guys know that I love this eyeliner. It's just everything, and it's just dead. Like, I've used it so much, but it's so good. It's so good. You need it in your life if you can get it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this eyeliner when you guys are here and I'm here. Let's try, okay? Let's try, okay? Sonia can get this done. So you're gonna take your eyeliner, start from the middle. That's what I always do. You want to always take your wing from the middle of your eye, like this area right here, and then you want to draw your wing. Oh god, my mirror is pretty far. I'm trying to do this for you guys. This is pretty hard, guys. So anyways, what you want to do is go there as well until the end. After that, you want to start thickening the eyeliner so that it can reach this area, but from this area you have to be very careful and apply less product. Your brush should have less product when you're on the end. So let me just do this and then we can get back, guys. So once your eyeliner is as pretty looking as that, guys, as you guys can see, once it's as pretty looking as that, then we want to go with mascara, and the mascara I'm going to be using today is by Lancome. I showed you guys in my recent video, one of my recent videos, I showed you guys this mascara, and honestly I am in love with this mascara, but it's pretty expensive, and I don't know why it's this expensive. Like literally it's heaven. Honestly guys, it's heaven. But if you want a drugstore mascara, then the L'Oreal one is amazing. So yeah guys, so we're gonna be applying this. This is how the wand looks like. So you just want to take this, and it looks like falsies. Like, I'm not even kidding guys, it literally looks like falsies. So I'm loving how this look has turned out. Honestly speaking, I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but it looks amazing in person. Anyways, I forgot I have not applied a highlighter, and should I apply this or should I try this new highlighter I have got? Let me bring it. So yeah guys, I got this highlighter recently, and it's by Illamasqua or Illamasqua, or yeah, something like that, and it's the highlighter pigment. It's I bought it for about $30, but I'm not a fan of the packaging. This is how it looks like, and you have to like open it from here, and sometimes it drops out. I mean, it's an expensive product. If half of the product is gonna drop out, then what's the point? Anyways, they should improve on their packaging. It's not very nice. So anyways guys, the highlighter is amazing. I have tried it once before, so this is the second time I'm trying it. And yeah, that's how you open it, and as you can see, it's already coming out. I don't know who thought of this packaging, to be honest. So I'm gonna take the slightest bit because it's pretty pigmented, guys. That's too much, guys. That's too much. Tap off the excess. So that's how much I'm gonna be taking and apply it. Can you guys see that? This highlighter is amazing, to be honest, but I'm just not a fan of the packaging. As you guys can see, how much highlighter just dropped out. Anyways, that is the only problem of this product. Let's get rid of this now because it looks crazy. So yeah, so the lipstick I'm gonna be applying is a very beautiful lipstick, guys, and it's by Karaja. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but I bought mine in Pakistan for about 2,000 rupees. Yes, 2,000 rupees. And it's in the shade 52. It's like a brown shade. It's pretty amazing, guys. So I'm gonna be applying this, and it's like semi matte. It's like soft matte, if that's what you guys call it. My hair looks pretty messy, but we're gonna sort that out. The finished result, and I am in love with this look. Honestly speaking, I don't know if you guys can tell how flawless my face looks. First of all, this is a bit of foundation. I can get rid of that. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can tell how flawless this beautiful look has come together, and this is what I've been doing recently. I wanted to apply false lashes, but I don't apply false lashes. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and click the notification bell down below if you guys want to see more of such, so that you can get a notification every time I post. And don't forget to comment down below what you guys think of this makeup look. This is what I have been doing recently, and I'm totally in love with it, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.